Infinite Equity supports both public and private companies with the design, implementation, and ongoing support of their stock programs. I'm based in San Francisco, California, and our team is spread throughout the United States and in Israel and in the Philippines. We support public and private companies of all size. The one unique characteristic is they share equity with their employees as part of the Total Rewards program. So we had to outgrown our existing CRM. So we knew we needed Fliweel to help us identify one that would allow us to grow to the next level. We were approaching invoicing close to 100 clients on a monthly basis and would grow beyond that. In addition, we have two different revenue models, one that's based on time entry and one that's based on project, a fixed fee. And we really needed to be able to leverage multiple systems to manage that workflow and ensure that information was being passed back and forth from the systems. Fliweel was able to assess exactly what our needs were, evaluate the different software and integration packages, and present solutions for us to decide on. I chose to work with Fliweel because I had gotten to know Andy Paul over the years from prior employers that we'd worked together. And I was really looking for a partner that, one, had the requisite background for what we were looking for, but was able to kind of dig in, roll up the sleeves, and work with us as a partner as opposed to just a service provider. Fliweel was able to help us identify the right CRM that could be the backbone to allow us to continue our growth trajectory. We ultimately selected Salesforce because of its broad ecosphere and ability to connect to other systems in a native way or with different utilities. In addition, for solving our time entry, a system that had been done on a manual spreadsheet up to this point, they helped us identify Clockify, which integrates with our existing accounting and invoice platform, QuickBooks. And further, they were able to find the right utilities at a reasonable subscription fee to create additional customized connections that weren't necessarily available between those three platforms. In addition to working with a new modern CRM, we were able to see some of our processes and activities that would take 7 to 10 days following month end, cut down to 2 or 3 days. In addition, because the information was flowing between systems as opposed to what had previously been manual entry, we saw a reduction in the number of errors and had easier tools to conduct our month-end reconciliations. Anyone who's looking at Fliweel, certainly I think they've got a very good firm to consider working with. The reason it made sense for us is because I could tell that we would have a good partner that would saddle up and understand what our needs were and be able to work with us side by side, as opposed to working with a vendor where it felt more like a project-based delivery.